If you are struggling to grow on YouTube, you are probably missing out a few key strategies. Going viral isn't luck, it's a formula. And in this video, I am breaking down the exact steps you need to make your videos blow up. Hello there, this is day 2 of my 30-day challenge where I share the secrets to success and YouTube growth. So if you want to crack the YouTube algorithm, stick around. Imagine being a YouTube creator in 2025, waking up one morning to see your video has gone viral with millions of views and thousands of comments. It's a dream shared by many but achieved by few. The potential impact of going viral on YouTube is huge, not just for creators but for viewers as well. It can be a game changer for anyone looking to build a community, share their passion, or showcase their talent. We all know that the YouTube landscape has become increasingly crowded with millions of hours of content uploaded every day. It's harder than ever for new creators to get noticed and even harder to stand out from the crowd. The algorithm seems to favor established channels, making it tough for newcomers to break through. With so much noise, it's easy to get lost in the shuffle. One of the biggest challenges facing creators today is getting their content seen by the right people. Even with great content, it's easy to get buried under the weight of all the other videos out there. It's like trying to find a needle in a haystack. You could be creating the most amazing content, but if nobody is seeing it, it's all for nothing. But what if I told you that there is a way to cut through the noise, to stand out from the crowd, and to get your content seen by people who matter the most? It's not about being louder or by copying what others are doing. It's by being authentic, by creating content that resonates with people, and by understanding what makes them click. So how do you create engaging content that people can't help but share, watch, and like, then comment and engage with it? It starts with understanding trends and knowing what is currently resonating with your audience. It's about being able to tap into the cultural trend that is happening everywhere and creating content that is relevant, timely, and impactful. It's also about the audience engagement and building a community that is invested in what you are doing. When your audience feels seen, heard, and valued, they will be more likely to share your content with other people. Effective storytelling is also key to creating content that goes viral. It's about being able to craft a narrative that is compelling, relatable, and memorable. It's about taking your audience on a journey and making them feel something. When you can evoke emotions, spark imagination, or inspire action, you have created something truly special. But what about the elephant in the room? What about the strategy that is proven to be the most effective in achieving virality? The good news is it's not a secret sauce, no, or a magic formula that only a selected few know about. No, it's not. It's actually quite simple. It's about being authentic, being consistent, and being patient. It's about creating content that is true to who you are and that resonates with an audience. The most successful creators on YouTube today are the ones who have built a loyal community, who have created content that is honest, authentic, and true to who they are. They are not trying to game the system or trick the system or one of those enter through the window kind of strategies people are sharing, or to manipulate their way to go viral or become famous. No, they are not. They are simply focused on creating the best content that they can and on building relationship with their audience. So to summarize, going viral on YouTube in 2025 is all about creating engaging content, understanding your audience, building a community, and being authentic. It's not about tricks or hacks or shortcuts. It's about putting in the work and being patient. It's about creating something truly special and letting it speak. Let it speak for itself. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found these tips and tricks helpful. If you have a favorite strategy for going viral, let me know in the comment section below. And if you want more tips and tricks on how to grow your YouTube channel, check out the video on the screen right now.